King, the Sackcrete people, bring you the Asphalt Repair How-To video featuring Aquaphalt 6.0 medium. Aquaphalt is a high-performance cold-mix asphalt repair product designed to repair asphalt and concrete road surfaces. All you need is Aquaphalt and clean water for a permanent repair solution. Use this product to repair driveways, tennis courts, pathways, parking lots, and potholes. This video will show you how Aquaphalt can be used to repair a pothole in an asphalt parking lot in under 15 minutes. What you will need: hard bristle brush, hand tamper, rake, rectangular metal trowel, watering pail, gloves, protective clothing. The recommended amount of water for one 23 kilogram or 50-pound pail of Aquaphalt is 5.7 liters or 6 quarts of water. For this repair, we'll be using about half of a pail of Aquaphalt and approximately 2.8 liters or 3 quarts of water. Repairing a pothole with Aquaphalt is a quick and easy process. Before you begin, clean any dirt or debris out of the pothole with a hard bristle brush. Now, use a trowel to shovel the Aquaphalt mixture into the pothole. Continue filling until the pothole is approximately halfway full. Then, compact the mixture using a hand tamper. If the pothole is too small for the hand tamper to fit in it, improvise with a metal trowel. Continue to trowel the Aquaphalt into the hole until the mixture is about half an inch, or 1.3 centimeters to 1 inch, or 2.5 centimeters higher than the surrounding surface. Next, level the surface using the backside of a rake. Once the surface is level, saturate the area with water. Don't be concerned about overwatering the Aquaphalt. Using a hand tamper, compact the mixture until it's firm. If the pothole is less than 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters deep, it can be filled all the way to the top in a single application. Once you've completed the job, the asphalt surface will be ready for vehicles or foot traffic immediately. After 24 hours, the Aquaphalt will be fully cured. Since there are no volatile organic compounds in Aquaphalt, it can be sealed just 24 hours after installation. When it comes to an easy, quick-fix solution for damaged asphalt, no product can compare to Aquaphalt 6.0 medium. King Packaged Materials Company offers a wide variety of professional-grade, easy-to-use products designed for DIY and contractor-based home repair and improvement projects. Our portfolio includes well-known King and Sackcrete brand products. For more information, visit www.king-products.com.